Imagine a world where indulgence meets health, where every crispy bite does not rhyme with guilt. A world where preparing a feast for the whole family doesn't tie you down for hours in the kitchen. This dream is now a reality thanks to the Seb Actifry Genius XXL, a revolution in the world of oil-free fryers. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features. See hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers and order yours today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products every day. The Seb Actifry Genius XL is ideal for large families or for those who love to entertain, allowing for the preparation of up to 1.7 kilos of varied, healthy and delicious dishes. Perfect for those who enjoy practical and quick cooking, it will also appeal to those who aspire to a balanced lifestyle without giving up the pleasure of good meals. This technological marvel is not just a simple fryer. It is an essential ally for anyone looking to eat healthily while enjoying exquisite dishes. Whether you are a fan of golden fries, crispy spring rolls or delicious desserts, the Seb Actifry Genius XL meets all your cravings with astonishing ease. Equipped with dual motion technology, the Seb Actifry Genius XL combines pulsating hot air and automatic stirring to ensure even cooking without any added oil. Gone are the days when healthy cooking meant compromising on taste and texture. With its capacity of 1.7 kilos, invite up to 8 people and delight them with a variety of dishes, all more delicious than the last. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. The fryer features 9 smart menus, which automatically adjust the cooking settings for each meal. With a simple gesture, choose between fries, donuts, chicken, or even a vegetable wok. The Actifry Genius takes care of the rest, thanks to its intuitive user interface and glass window, allowing you to monitor the cooking without opening the lid. Time, that precious resource, is respected to the letter by this device. No preheating required, exemplary speed in cooking, and a rotating paddle that stirs the food for you. Imagine more freedom to enjoy moments with family or to indulge in your passions while the Seb Actifry Genius XL takes care of everything. After a delicious meal, the chore of cleaning often follows, but not with the Seb Actifry Genius XL. All removable parts are dishwasher safe. A few minutes are enough for your fryer to be ready to use again. Simple, quick, and efficient, it is the perfect ally for hassle-free daily meals. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to discover all its features now and order it at the best price, revolutionizing your daily life. Aware of ecological issues, Seb is committed to the repairability of the Seb Actifry Genius XL with the availability of spare parts for 15 years. Investing in this product also means taking an active role in the production of our planet by reducing electrical waste. Thanks to the free app associated with the Seb Actifry Genius XL, discover hundreds of recipes that will inspire your daily cooking, refresh your menus and surprise your loved ones with dishes that are both innovative and delicious. All of this with just the push of a few buttons. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, oil-free cooking. Uses up to 99% less fat, ideal for a healthy diet. Advantage number 2, generous capacity. With a volume of 1.7 kilo, it can easily serve up to 8 people. Perfect for families or gatherings. Advantage number 3, dual motion technology. A combination of hot air and automatic stirring for even cooking without the need to stir. Advantage number 4, versatility. It offers 9 automatic programs for various dishes, including fries, chicken, desserts, and more, increasing meal options effortlessly. Advantage number 5, intuitive interface. Equipped with a viewing window to monitor cooking and a simple screen for uncomplicated use. Advantage number 6, easy cleaning. Dishwasher-safe components simplify the cleaning process after use. Advantage number 7, durable and eco-friendly. It offers a repairability of 15 years, reducing environmental impact due to the product's longevity. Now, let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, bulkiness. These relatively large dimensions can take up significant space on the countertop. Disadvantage number 2, operating noise. It may be relatively loud during use, which could be bothersome for some users. In summary, the Seb Actifry Genius XL is not just a fryer, it is a gateway to a healthier lifestyle, without ever compromising the pleasure of good eating. Get ready to explore a universe where healthy cooking becomes child's play, where every meal is a discovery, and where your health is preserved thanks to cutting-edge technology. Why wait to transform your cooking? Click the link in the description to order your Seb Actifry Genius XL now at the best price. Discover the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers and join the culinary revolution. Your health and your taste buds will thank you. Don't miss this opportunity to enhance your culinary daily life with ease, flavor, and health. Transform your kitchen, simplify your life, and indulge yourself with the Actifry Genius XL. It's your turn to play. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to discover the best products every day. With that, I thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.